So what were the problems that people were facing there, and what are the problems that people are now facing here in India?
I would say they were in the problem in both the countries. They had a problem like particular. Suppose take this group, Bhils and Meghwals from this area, who were going for the livelihood purpose to the rich fields. So they had problem here. Then they went over there. Then they are caught in the Muslim country, and they became the minority. And because of the minority, they face the discrimination, and they have no right. If they want to, they have any kind of persecution, they have any kind of discrimination. If their fundamental right is violated, they don't have any space in that society to speak out even about that. And when it is going for longer, and they also have insecure feeling for their coming generations, and then when they migrate over here, so right from getting visa from Indian embassy, it is process became tougher. So again, it's a problem when they enter on the border, even kind of things which is not valuable of the charges which are you know taken from them. So custom is again, and when they get themselves registered in the FRRO, again problem starts. If they want to go for livelihood to the other place, again their freedom of the movement is again affected. So they are not free to go anywhere. Suppose they have a passport of the visa of the Jodhpur. So everybody, they are not from Jodhpur. They are either from Jaisalmer, from rural area of the Jodhpur, that is maybe from Falodi, maybe from Bikaner, maybe from Badmer, not from Jodhpur. But they are bound to live over here because of the policy of the Indian government. And here too, they don't have access of the basic human rights. That is right to food, right? I mean, there is no food security. There is no livelihood guarantee. There is no refugee status, so they don't are assisted by any scheme of the government. And being member of the even scheduled tribe and scheduled caste, they are not part of any ongoing scheme of the government, either run by state government or the central government of India. So there are so many problems. Problem of the kids who are their future. For them, they have migrated over here. There is no facility of the education, and health is again a problem because they have to work in the fields. They have to do very tough work in the mining quarries. Whole the day they have to hard work, and then only they have a guarantee of the 2 times food. So all these kind of challenges, I mean, the problem of the housing. So all these basic rights there are, again, not guaranteed in any kind of policy. So what I see is they had a problem in Pakistan being a minority. They had a problem being a Pakistani here.